Welcome RidgeLife, I'm Tim, and today on RidgeLife's Reviews and How-Tos, I have a special product to review. You've seen me do portable power stations, solar generator reviews here on Reviews and How-Tos before, but you've never seen me do one like this. Guys, this is Browey's 600 watt portable power station. It is solar, but guys, what sets it apart? It has built-in solar panels. Let's check it out. Before I get into the specifications and how to use your Browey portable power station, let's see what comes in the package. Of course, you get the power station itself, which is pretty heavy. It's pretty small, but pretty heavy. That's due to that lithium ion phosphate battery. Those things are heavy, but they last a long time. Then we got this neoprene package here. Let's see what is inside the Ziploc container. We see we've got a power adapter, AC to DC power adapter. And then of course we've got the AC power adapter cable that will plug into that. Then we've got a 12 volt connection, okay? You can put this into your car 12 volt port or your boat or whatever else to power up, charge your portable power station. Then we get into some of the really cool little features here. We got this extra little cable here, and what this cable has is an adapter and an adapter set. This adapter set was pretty much every electronic thing you've got. Look at all those. If you've got a laptop, if you've got a monitor, if you've got a music player, whatever you've got, there's probably an adapter here that fits it, of course. You've got a user's manual and this awesome Browey guarantee. Now let's see what this thing can do. I've got my favorite portable electric ice chest, guys. This thing will get down to -4 degrees. It does have a built-in battery, but when you plug it into an external power source, it can power off that, and that's what we're going to use our Browey 600 watt portable generator to do. See if it will keep this ice chest charged and going. So first thing I need to do is get over here and plug the ice chest in. I'm going to use this AC input port or output port right here. Boom, plug that in, hit the display, power that up. Okay, so first thing I do, I see that it is pulling 84 watts. Okay, 84 watts right now. Now you got to remember, an ice chest will come on, come off, come on, come off. So I can turn the temperature up and the compressor will go off. So right now it's pulling 84 watts because it's trying to get down to -4 degrees. It won't be running that continuously. So right now 85 watts. Yep, 85 watts. 110 volts AC. And if I open up the solar panel, again, this is a 30 watt solar panel. Boom. I got the angles just about right. Let's see how many watts we're going. Input watts are 25, and it's charging the internal battery of our Browey portable power station. It's also powering up our portable ice chest, okay? As soon as the compressor kicks off, that's going to allow this thing to charge the battery internal to the Browey a little bit longer. Guys, I think this thing will run indefinitely. Matter of fact, if I turn the temperature up on this to where it's satisfied, it will cycle on and off. It will, boom. All right, now it's not running on, not taking any power, so all the solar power is charging the generator. Turn this back up, hear it click, fans come on, and now it's back up. Awesome, this thing is amazing. This is Browey's PN C600 portable power station. I'll go over some of the specifications. The battery is 614.4 watt hours. Weighs about 10.5 kilograms. It's pretty substantial. It is ULCE rated. It does have a 30 watt solar panel. So this thing will charge at a max capacity of 30 watt from its internal solar panel. The DC output, 12 volt, 10 amp max. The USB output, 2 USB-A, 5 volt, 3 amp, 9 volt, 2 amp, and 12 volt, 1.5 amp. It does have Type C, also 5 volt, 3 amp, 9 volt, 3 amp, 12 volt, 3 amp, 15 volt, 3 amp, 20 volt, 3.25 amp. The AC output is rated for 600 watts, 1200 watt max. Sine wave output, it's 110 volts straight with 40, let's see here, pipe at 5.45 amp. And of course the car output, the 12 volt, is also at 10 amp max. Very, very substantial unit for what little size it does have. So what can you charge with this thing? Well, you can charge your laptop 12 times. You can charge a cell phone 55 times. How about an iPad? 21 times. Your digital camera, 41 charges. You can run an oscillating fan about 61 hours, keep you cool in the tent at night while you're camping. You can run an LED light for over 30 hours, guys. A TV, you can run a TV for 4.3 hours. Portable radio, 61 hours. You got one of them Bluetooth speakers, how about 10 hours? CPAP machine, you gotta sleep at night, power goes out, 15 hours your CPAP will keep going. A car refrigerator, you know, gotta keep one of those sometimes, 12 hours, all night long, guys. Drone, you gotta power up your drone, charge it 20 times. This thing is very versatile. So now let's look at the unit itself. Of course, we've got this solar panel that flips open right here. On the back, we've got a stand. So that way you can tilt the unit to just the right angle for the sun, get optimal charging. Very, very nice. On the end, this is your fan discharge port. You want to make sure you keep that area clear to keep this thing cool. And then on the end here, let's zoom in a little bit on the end. And we can see we have the digital display, LCD display. Right here, boom, we've got our USB ports. We've got a USB 2, the USB 1, and the Type C. These are all outputs to keep your unit charged and going. Push this button right here, we'll turn on the display. Open this up, and again, all these have these little spray-proof plug port covers. Not waterproof, guys, but it is spray-proof. Here's your output. This is your DC output. This is your input right here. AC, boom, push that on. Your AC 110 volt 600 watt output will be powered up. Push the DC on, boom, right there. This your 12 volt portable car type adapter will be powered up. These things, very, very nice connectivity. Since it's so bright outside, you really can't see the display. I'm gonna just show you from the manual. You've got a battery charge indicator, 20 to 100%. You got your charging input display in watts right there. Your discharge output display right here is in watts also, out AC watts. You've got your exchange side power, how many volts you got, what's your hertz. Here's your time in hours. Now down at the bottom here, you've got some indicators that can give you all kinds of good information. You got your, is the cooling fan running? Is it overheating prevention display, overload protection display, and short circuit protection display. So what ways can we charge our portable power station? Well, first and foremost is your AC power adapter, right? Whenever you've got power, you plug it into the wall, and that's a DC 24 volt, 4.5 amp power adapter from the AC. Take about 6 hours to fully charge. That lithium ion phosphate battery, it does last a long time, but it does take a while to charge up the way we've got. Of course, you can plug in an external solar panel to it. You know, you plug it right into that DC input port, 12 to 30 volt solar panel at 4.5 amp, okay? If you're gonna plug it into your car 12 volt port, again, that's 12 to 24 volt DC port, take about 6 to 12 hours at that rate. Of course, the internal 30 watt solar panel, we'll charge it. It's you know, it's only 30 watts, not 120 watt or 200 watt like some of them big ones. You can plug into this, but that 30 watt does a very good job in an emergency situation. I am super impressed with this portable power station by Browey. 600 watt will do the job in an emergency situation and all kinds of outdoor activities. So if you want one, I'll leave a link in the description down below, and hopefully you liked today's video. I have more reviews and how-tos coming up very soon, so subscribe, it's free. Hit that notification bell to be notified anytime a new video comes out on RidgeLife's Reviews and How-Tos. So guys, until next time, I hope everyone has a blessed day, and go RidgeLife. Y'all take care.